So I've already done a video this morning at 9 o'clock, just as a kind of way to show that the noise coming through the ceiling just goes on throughout the whole day. And that was the woman on the phone this morning. And then what we have now is the TV blaring, basically. Not really worried about you might be drilling and stuff in the background. There's someone downstairs who's having plumbing work done. And that kind of scraping noise, I think, is the woman upstairs doing hoovering or something. But yeah, mainly just here to show you that the TV is on and very loud and we can hear it in our flat.